Yeah, this is Tim McGaffin II. I put these sweet mini peppers that you see in this bag, I chopped them up and I put them in this 11.5 strong Kangen water. And this 11.5 strong Kangen water is proven to remove pesticides off your fruits and vegetables. So look what happens when I take these out of the water. Look at the yellow, that remains. I have a study that proves that this water removes pesticides. It doesn't remove the nutrition. It pulls off the pesticides. I have a study that proves it. If you contact me, I'll get you that study. You can see, here's my Kangen water machine that produces this water. And I challenge you at home to put your fruits and vegetables in whatever water or substance that you use. Put them in vinegar, put them in bottled water, spring water, tap water, reverse osmosis, filtered water, whatever you want. Test it out for yourself, and then when you come back here and watch this video, I guarantee you're not going to see what you see here. It's going to not even compare. It's not even going to come close. Check out my other videos. If you go to my video platform, check out the playlist. Check out all the other videos that I do washing all sorts of fruits and vegetables. So imagine not having these pesticides, or imagine not having pesticides in your body, getting them off your fruits and vegetables. And then also when you drink this water, it does the same thing. Here's the drinking water. See, that's a 9.5 right there, the 9.5 drinking water. It gets inside your cells, it flushes out the acidic waste, it flushes out the toxins out of your body. So flushing out the toxins, flushing out the poisons, making sure you're not ingesting poisons. You can get this water for less than $45 a month. Save your family's health. Be a leader. Show courage. Spread the message of liberty and never give up. The water off here.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go ahead and do that one. And so,
oh wow,
as you can see,
there is a little bit of this. So this is regular tap water.
Yep.
I can see there's a little bit of color in here, but there's more color in there.
And so what happened is this water actually took off the pesticides that is on the tomatoes. And the greatest thing you can do in your life is to get back up when you get knocked down. Champions never quit.